Just a quick little video of a startup, kind of a warm start to this, and then just kind of give you a better sound video. So before, if you look at my other video, it had a 5-inch tip, Magnaflow tips. I got that changed with the black chrome. These are basically Corvette tips. And it did kind of change the sound a little bit, kind of got rid of the drone that comes inside, so it's definitely worth it if you do have the Magnaflow kit. Change out the tips, they're just huge, and you probably won't like the sound too much. So anyway, let's start it up and get a couple of rumbles here for you.